Today, hkmytravel.com takes you to Shenzhen. We will visit a creative art and culture area, the OCT-Loft. You could see many creative studios, art space, special restaurants and cafes. Let's explore this spectacular journey together. By the way, do you like my new glasses? It's round shape, like the yin-yang sign. The world is a balance. To get there, you could take the Shenzhen Metro, Line 1 to Kaohsiung East Station. Get out from exit A. Once you get out of the station, turn right and walk straight. Turn right at the Anping Street and walk straight to the end, and you are there. So we have now arrived at the OCT-Loft here. As you can see, we are surrounded by those old factory buildings here. All the factory have moved out, so they changed the factory building into a culture and creative complex here. There are many creative arts all over the place. A very special restaurant here, looks like an art gallery. There is a street here with many artistic restaurants where you can enjoy and relax. Another street here with many different artistic cafes, shops, and galleries. Let me take you inside this shop and look at the exhibition-alike items. This is a special cafe, has many art items, a new experience.
So this place is not only a coffee shop, it's got many artistic items here. Also they have handcrafts, maybe a class or something. Very nice.
Many buildings have paintings on it.
Most of the shops here turns into coffee shop and design company, some studio and gallery as well.
Even the floor is artistic.
In a creative and culture center, it's meaningless without trying out the cafe here. I'm now at this very classical cafe. So cheers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel hkmytravel or visit our website hkmytravel.com. Thank you and see you next time.